Sheboygan 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Um,
Okay, can you repeat that for verification, please? What's the phone number that you're calling from? Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
okay, so I'm a delivery driver for Dominos. I work for Plymouth, or the restaurant is in Plymouth. And I had a delivery, and it was some middle-aged couple, and it looked like the woman clearly had a black eye, and she pointed to it, and I swear she mouthed, "Help me." And then as I was leaving, I swear she also said, "Call the police," like she mouthed it.
Okay, do you know the name of the people that lived there by any chance?
The thing I have on the delivery take is I'm not really sure how to pronounce the last name.
Okay, all right. How long ago did you leave there?
It's been like 4 minutes. I'm on my way back to the store.
So,
So,
did you see any other person in there besides the female?
it was her, and I'm assuming her husband or whatever. He is the one that paid. She was standing behind him, and that's when I saw her mouth those things to me.
Okay.
That's all I saw. I don't know if there's anybody there or not.
And then what's your name?
Joey
And your last name?
Grundel, Grundel.
All right, we've got some deputies on the way, Joey. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, thank you.